This video is about first chapter, cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosome. In this video, I will be explaining you about cell cycle and cell division. Now what happens, children, when a cell is dividing into 2 or 4? So always its nucleus or nuclear material or genetic material what is present inside the nucleus, it divides into 2 and followed by the division of the cytoplasm. What is present in the cytoplasm? All cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. So these cell organelles will also divide into 2 newly formed daughter cells. So division of cytoplasm, always first the division of cytoplasm will take, division of nucleus will take place. This division of nucleus is called karyokinesis, followed by division of cytoplasm, that is known as cytokinesis. So division of nucleus, karyokinesis, division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. What is cell cycle? This is a cell. This cell will prepare itself for cell division. So for its preparation, its genetic material must increase, as well as its cytoplasmic organelles also they should increase, so that they can be divided into 2 newly formed daughter cells. So all the sequence of events, whatever event is taking place inside a cell, inside this cell, so that it can divide into 2 or so that it is ready for cell division. So the sequences of events from cell formation, this cell has been formed, to next cell division. This is called cell cycle. So cell cycle is sequence of all the events which are taking place from cell formation to next cell division. And it takes place in 2 phases. One is karyokinesis, division of nucleus, followed by cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Now this cell cycle takes place in 2 phases. First phase is called interphase. Interphase means a cell is not actually dividing, but it is preparing itself for division. This is called interphase. And second is a mitotic phase, where a cell is dividing. That means it is ready to divide and it will start dividing. Coming to first interphase, interphase has 3 phases. First is G1 phase, second is S phase, and third is G2 phase. What happens in all these 3 phases? Remember, these all 3 phases are of interphase. During interphase, cell is not dividing, non-dividing phase, but a cell is preparing for cell division. So what preparations are going on inside a cell? First is G1 phase. In G1, RNA and proteins are synthesized. Why these RNA and proteins are synthesized? So that the replication or duplication of DNA can take place. Because DNA means the genetic material. So its duplication will take place. What will happen in G1? RNA and proteins will be synthesized. In animal cells, mitochondria are the cell organelles. They will also increase in number. They will duplicate, because mitochondria, they have their own DNA. They can make their own copies. Secondly, chloroplast present in plant cell will also duplicate. So this will take place in G1 phase. Second phase is S phase, also called synthesis phase. During this phase, DNA will be synthesized, means duplication of DNA will take place. This is also called replication of DNA. So DNA will synthesized in S or synthetic or synthesis phase. And finally, G2 phase. RNA had already started synthesizing. This RNA, more RNA will be synthesized in G2 phase. RNA and proteins, they will be synthesized. So after these 3 phases of interphase, a cell will enter into mitotic phase. This is also called mitosis. And I have already told you, during mitosis, karyokinesis will take place. That means the division of nucleus, and this will be followed by cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm, and one cell will give rise to two daughter cells. In mitosis, there are 4 stages or 4 phases. One is prophase, second is metaphase, third is anaphase, and fourth is telophase. Remember, prophase and telophase are just opposite to each other. Means what happens in prophase will be just opposite in telophase. About these all phases, I will be explaining in my next video.